Welcome back to our channel, and today we're counting down enduring mysteries from the mists of prehistory. Do you need the big questions answered? Are you constantly curious? Then why not subscribe to Everything But What for more clips like this one? And ring the bell for more thought-provoking content. Number 10. The purpose of Stonehenge. This famed prehistoric monument located in Wiltshire, England, was constructed around 5,000 years ago. Its origins have been a topic of speculation, with conjectures including an astronomical observatory, a religious site, or a place for rituals. Recent archaeological findings suggest Stonehenge may have been part of a larger sacred landscape, including nearby burial mounds and ceremonial pathways. The transportation and erection of its massive stones, some weighing up to 25 tons, remain an impressive feat, considering the limited technology of the time. The alignment of the stones with the solstices suggests a connection to celestial events. Stonehenge's design and construction exhibit a sophisticated understanding of mathematics and astronomy by its builders. Number 9. The settlement of the Americas. The timing and route of the first human settlement in the Americas have been subjects of extensive research and discussion among archaeologists and anthropologists. While the traditional theory suggests migration from Asia to North America via the Bering Land Bridge around 13,000 years ago, recent discoveries challenge this timeline. Sites like Monte Verde in Chile and Bluefish Caves in Canada suggest an earlier presence, potentially predating the Clovis culture. These findings imply alternative migration routes, including coastal or island-hopping paths. Genetic studies have added complexity to the debate, indicating multiple waves of migration. Understanding the initial peopling of the Americas sheds light on migration patterns and the adaptation of humans to new environments. Number 8. The Tassili Anajer rock art. Located in the Sahara Desert of Algeria, the Tassili Anajer Plateau features one of the most important collections of prehistoric rock art in the world. The art, dating back to the Neolithic period, includes thousands of paintings and engravings depicting a wide range of subjects. These works illustrate a transition from a wetter climate with savanna-like environments to the current desert conditions. The art provides clues about the lifestyle, beliefs, and environment of the prehistoric inhabitants of the region. The depictions of animals, such as giraffes, elephants, and cattle, indicate a once diverse and abundant wildlife. Number 7. The extinction of megafauna. Around 10,000 years ago, the world witnessed the abrupt disappearance of large prehistoric animals known as megafauna, including the woolly mammoth, saber-toothed cats, and giant ground sloths. The leading theories for their extinction are overhunting and climate change, but a definitive cause remains elusive. Some researchers suggest a combination of both factors, along with other possibilities like disease and environmental changes. The loss of these megafauna had profound ecological impacts, altering ecosystems and the biodiversity of regions worldwide. Their extinction also coincides with the end of the last ice age, adding complexity to the understanding of climate and environmental shifts during prehistoric times. Number 6. The Lascaux Cave Paintings. This cave in southwestern France is renowned for its Paleolithic paintings, estimated to be over 17,000 years old. These paintings depict a variety of animals, human figures, and abstract symbols, showcasing a high level of artistic skill for the time. The purpose of the paintings is unknown, with potential explanations ranging from religious or ceremonial functions to expressions of early storytelling or documentation. The cave's discovery in 1940 provided invaluable insights into Upper Paleolithic life and art. The variety of animals painted, including horses, deer, and large cats, indicates a rich biodiversity in the region during that period. The paintings also raise questions about the symbolic and communicative abilities of early humans and their relationship with their environment. Number 5. The origin of language. How language began is a complex and unresolved issue in the field of linguistics and anthropology. The lack of direct evidence makes it challenging to pinpoint when and how humans developed structured, symbolic communication. Theories on the origin range from a gradual evolution of language from animal calls to a sudden emergence due to genetic mutations. The development of language is closely tied to the evolution of the brain, particularly regions associated with speech and cognitive processing. The appearance of symbolic artifacts, such as cave paintings and carved figurines, suggests the presence of abstract thinking and communication skills in early humans. Number 4. Göbekli Tepe's purpose 0:07:29.520,1193:02:47.295 Located in southeastern Turkey, Göbekli Tepe is one of the oldest temple complexes known, dating back to around 11,000 years ago. The site predates Stonehenge and the Egyptian pyramids, challenging traditional views of the development of complex societies. Göbekli Tepe consists of massive stone pillars arranged in circles, many carved with elaborate animal motifs and abstract symbols. The site's construction implies a high degree of social organization and communal effort, suggesting that religious or ritual activities played a significant role in early societies. Göbekli Tepe remains a subject of speculation, and possible explanations include a ceremonial site, a center for a cult, or a gathering place for hunter-gatherers. Number 3. The Venus figurines. The small prehistoric statuettes depicting female figures, found across Europe and parts of Asia, date back to between 30,000 and 10,000 years ago. These figurines vary in style and detail, but most share common features such as emphasized breasts and hips. The widespread distribution of the figurines suggests a shared cultural or symbolic significance across different Paleolithic societies. Theories include representations of fertility or motherhood, symbols of a mother goddess, or simply artistic expressions. Some researchers propose that the figurines may have been used in rituals or served as amulets. The variation in their forms, from realistic to highly stylized, indicates a diversity of cultural practices and beliefs among prehistoric peoples. Number 2. The Nazca Lines. Peru is the location of the Nazca Lines, a series of large geoglyphs created by the Nazca culture between 500 BCE and 500 CE. The designs, visible only from a high vantage point or the air, include various animals, plants, and geometric shapes. The purpose of these lines is still debated, with hypotheses ranging from astronomical markers to religious or ceremonial functions. The geoglyphs were made by removing the reddish-brown iron oxide-coated pebbles that cover the surface of the Nazca Desert and revealing the light-colored earth underneath. The preservation of the lines, despite being in a region prone to earthquakes and wind erosion, is remarkable. Number 1. The disappearance of Neanderthals. Neanderthals, a distinct species or subspecies of archaic humans, lived in Eurasia until approximately 40,000 years ago. Their disappearance coincides with the arrival and spread of anatomically modern humans in Europe and Asia. Various attempts have been put forward to explain their extinction, including competition for resources, climate change, and a lower reproduction rate. Genetic evidence shows interbreeding between Neanderthals and modern humans, with traces of Neanderthal DNA present in the modern human genome. The Neanderthals' ability to create tools, use fire, and possibly have symbolic thought and language indicates a high level of cognitive and cultural complexity. Their disappearance marked a significant event in our evolution. What do you think is the biggest unsolved prehistoric mystery? Let us know in the comments. What do you think? Is there anything we missed? Let us know in the comments. Check out these other clips from Everything But What, and make sure you subscribe and ring the bell for our latest content.